Heal chow. Tell me
now.
pa, hold. Come southeast now.
Ready now.
Southeast, engage on the gate now in 5, 4, 3, 2, on the gate now. Almost. Back. Def. Heal blue lip. Nice tap.
Vibe,
Then
still
hold
attack.
him, detox, hold the choke.
Ready now.
Hold the choke. Wait.
No, si
Wait.
Scotty, no.
Wait. Hold it for now. Wait. Oh my god, pare, so wait. Wait, hold it.
Martian, yung DPS mo na naman, nandito lang oh.
Yo, DPS. Doon lang, careful.
Oo, si
Yo,
Scott.
Yung
wait,
GA, pwedeng
hold it, yeah, hold it.
maglaro
Hold
ng
it,
tower.
towers, yeah,
Tower,
hold it. Hold it lang, careful lang, ready lang. Maglook tayo ng east side of the gate, east ng gate, wait lang, hold it. Wait, there now. East side of the gate now, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, east side of the gate now, drop nyo, habol nyo. Then come back. Defront. Come inside. In front, heal me. Come inside. Second. Yeah, Tell me, Pop. Engage on the gate now in 5, 4, 3, 2, on the gate now. Na-GA na lang. Ba't kayo na-GA, pre? Graveyard
Walang
boots.
healer.
Kamis now. Zonan. Sama.
Ako na lang,
Healing.
healer mo. Ako na lang.
Tangina mo ko.
30% Martian.
Ano akong mana, boy?
Martian, bigyan mo sa akin, Bartelis. Martian,
Pasag na yung gate.
Heal mo ako, Zonan. Kamis. Out na tayo.
Teka lang, wait lang. Ako lang, wait lang. Wala na akong mana.
Hindi. Kamis pa. Tara. Laruin natin. Yo, wait lang. Kamis now. Yo, fake now on the gate now. Fake now in 3, 2, 1. Fake now. Careful, dating ha. Careful. Wait. Hold it. Engaging on the gate now in 5, 4, 3, 2. Head but def. Drop then def. Then come west now. Sishbo, careful, Sishbo. Def. Sige na, out na tayo.
Graveyard po.
Ibang tayo pa.
Yes.
Maba pa
Hold it.
Maba pa.
Bista ka pa yan. Nandun pa si Osho.
May laban pa to.
Riggy, hold here guys. Anong lumikod sa kanila?
No OC.
Yung
Kanina pa nag-i-scout yung
OC.
no OC Martian eh.
Come northeast now. Capping na ba?
Hirap na ito pag...
Careful.
Di pa. South pa lang sila.
Dismount here. Dismount yung In shop northeast now. In shop east now. Engage now. East side now. By the now. It's 5, 4, 3, 2. On the run. Kill. Nice kill. Then come. Careful bomb north.
Ingat sa wall.
Def. Nice def. Then Kamis again. Nandito na usi pre.
Ready now. Ready now.
Tell me pop. Wait. Engage on the carpet now north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the carpet. Nice kill. Then come back west. Hold it. Wait. Wait lang. Hold it. Tell me pop. Hold.
Wait.
Hold.
Ready.
Wait. Engage now. East side now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side now. Big. Oh my god. Kamis now. Walk on them. Walk on them. Puking ina pre. Walk on them.
Masyadong maglot.
Engage now. Narrow in 5, 4, 3, 2. Nandun narrow. Come on, west.
Hoy, wag kayo mag-separate.
Dismounted. Group. Punta ka, guys.
West. Come south. Oh my god.
Pwede nyo lutin dyan mamaya.
Running. Dito sa akin,
Oh.
Nasa suicide. Suicide corner.
Oh my God.
Steve, patay mo yung Steve. Gago. Nanalo pa. Putang ina.
Marchan,
Sarap.
Mounted southeast. Mounted southeast.
Madami pa sila sa southeast. Regroup, southeast.
Wait lang. Regroup muna. Regroup. Everyone come to cannon room. Loot cannon room. Loot cannon room.
Steve.
Looted na, looted.
Attention ka ba? Inside the hole, Marchan.
Kamis now. Catch.
Ready, Marchan, ready,
Fake. Engage now. Deep south now. First gate namin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After the J.
Oh, big gago. Putang ina. Oh my God. Oy, running.
Ayun lang.
Engage now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Drop. Sige lang. Cycle. Dali. Rigil lang kayo. Okay lang. Masaya tayo. Rigil lang kayo. Kamis. Fake na siya. Mamaya kayo mag-loot. Kamis. Wait. After the J.
Yan, J, Marchan.
Okay, no, isa namin. 5, 4, 3, 2, shallow na. Then come west. Hill front. Run them over. Wala
Yo,
run them
Marchan,
over.
may block ko, Marchan.
Yo, mag-block, Marchan.
Kill na. Yeah.
Cheese.
Okay, everyone.
Out na.
Wait, clear comms. Manig kayo sa akin. Kami sa castle.
Pre, daw ka lang, pre.